Today I'm going to teach you how to download a GitHub repository. This is a straightforward process that allows you to get a local copy of any repository you have access to, whether it's your own project or someone else's code you want to work with. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Simply enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll see your GitHub dashboard. Look over to the upper left panel of the screen where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to download. This will take you directly to that repository's main page where you can view all the files, commits, and other details related to the project. Now that you're on the repository page, locate the green button labeled Code near the top right area of the file list. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for accessing the repository. From this menu, select Download Zip. This option packages the entire repository into a compressed zip file that will be saved to your computer. Once you've clicked Download Zip, the download will begin immediately. Navigate to the right panel beside your Google profile avatar at the top of your browser window. This is where you can monitor your download progress. Depending on the size of the repository, the download might take a few moments, so just keep an eye on the progress indicator. When the download finishes, you'll see the file listed in your Downloads area. Click on Open to access the downloaded zip file. This will either open the file in your File Explorer or automatically extract it depending on your browser settings. From here, you can unzip the folder if it hasn't been extracted automatically, and you'll have full access to all the files in the repository. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded a GitHub repository to your local machine. This gives you the flexibility to review the code, make modifications, or use it as a reference for your own projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.